In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a date of birth e-file reject on TurboTax. Whether you're filing for the first time or you're a seasoned filer, getting an e-file rejection because of an incorrect date of birth can be surprising and a little frustrating. Luckily, the solution is easier than you think, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the official TurboTax site. You can type in the URL or do a quick search for TurboTax and click the official link. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner and find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click that. Use your current credentials to access your TurboTax profile. After successfully signing in, make sure you're on the TurboTax homepage. Next, find the Review option. Clicking it will let TurboTax check for any potential issues that might affect your filing process, including any e-file rejections you've encountered. Once the review is complete, it's time to address the issues. Click on See Issues so you can clearly identify what areas need attention, especially those related to your personal information. Now look for a section labeled Personal Info and click on it. This is where you can fix discrepancies like an incorrect date of birth. The site will highlight a Fix button that points directly to the problem area. Click it to proceed to the specific field that needs correction. Finally, you'll reach your date of birth field. It's crucial to enter the date exactly as it appears on official documents like your driver's license or birth certificate. Check it carefully, update any inaccuracies, and save your changes. With these adjustments made, your information should now be ready for resubmission. You can head back to the main filing section to finalize your e-file. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.